Okay, I'm Ray Hershey, work on the Olympic National Forest. I'm a safety officer on Washington Incident Management Team 4.
So what's a typical day in the life of a safety officer on a fire look like?
One of the first things we do is a deliberate risk assessment to analyze the risk to the firefighters. Then we verify that against what we find out on the line. Dealing with driving, smoke inversions, working around heavy equipment, bees, anything that could cause a serious injury to the firefighters, to make sure that we can analyze those risks and try and mitigate as much as possible that we can. That's the biggest thing behind being a safety officer these days.
What are some of the watch out situations for a firefighter on the line?
One of the things on this fire is the heavy smoke inversions. You can't see the fire, you can hear it, you can't tell if it's coming at you. Lookouts can't see as far as they normally do when you're looking across. It's hard to maintain that L and LCS when you can't see the fire and be away. That's one of the lookout situations. The fire order is knowing what the fire behavior is doing.
And what do you think is the most gratifying aspect of being a safety officer?
Most gratifying is being able to come up with those, analyze those risks, work with operations, because a safety officer has a strong operation background. Have them just talk to you and just be a sounding board on what their tactics would be, and then maybe point out the safety hazards or some concerns you'd have on the fire with those tactics, and between the two of us come up with maybe something different than what they were planning, but be able to do it in a safer way.